Hi, today we will be discussing about the problem one. So all these things in the code and part A, part B, and part C. So let's quickly look into the Monsoon account. So here is my code. So which I have run all those things here, and this is my script which I have put all this in the script and I executed. And the next thing is this is my flag command which I have run the commands to execute. So everything I have put in the document. So here is the document. I have put everything here and I have run the command. So here are the screenshot for all of those. This is the part A, how much time it took, all these things, part B and part C. So I have put all the screenshots here. And yeah, let's quickly jump into the code. We have two files here. Let's discuss quickly here. And from the file 166, we are using a default constructor here. This is the default constructor. This is the default constructor. Now let's check the custom constructor here. Actually, what we are doing in this entire code chunk is you were initializing the character array, and we have taken a character pointer and initializing character array from 88 to 126. 88 to 126. This total code, what we are doing is we are in this function we are reading the file, read file, and storing it in the total count in nucleus. We are taking the character array and sorting the character sequence in the nucleus, okay, in the entire thing. So in this next we are doing in this while loop we are counting the characters. Okay, we are counting the characters, and next we have initialized here we have initialized the array, and we are copying it, copying the data from the input file. Next, in the D structures, what we are exactly doing is in this part, we are destructuring it. Whatever pointers and arrays we have initialized, we are deleting it in this entire code chunk. And next, read the query data set from the file. Query data set from the file from the line 8. What we are actually doing is in this entire code chunk, what we are actually doing is um, we are reading the data and storing it in the total count in the nucleus from the given file. And if stream, we are counting the number of sequences. In the if stream, we are counting the number of sequences. And in the line 38, we have the search fragmentation. Line 138, yeah, we have the search fragmentation. So here, what in this code chunk, what we are exactly doing is in this fragment, we are checking the nucleus and we are comparing the single sequence to the nucleus. So in between the 32 characters, if it is matching, if or not, if it is not matching, it will break the code. And in the function, we are using the line 52. We are here in this function. We are using the heap sorting techniques. Why we are using is we are using sorting techniques of sorting the fragment in an order. Okay. Next, well, let's quickly jump to the other code. So here, what we are doing is in the search function from line 49. Yeah, from the line 49, what we are doing is in this function, we are using the searching technique, and we are starting the timer. And in between, what we are actually doing is uh, here from the GNMA file, we are reading the data and calling the search fragmentation function. If we return the index, we are doing the hit count increment. Here, doing the hit count increment till 15 searches. And in 1171, we are checking the fragmentations match. And next, we are stopping the time to check the seconds and milliseconds. And in the main function, what we are doing is we are taking the problem sub problem A and sub problem B, one with the sorting and one without the sorting. So this is the entire. So if I missed everything, I wrote everything in here. You can check here, and let's check the part C. So part C, what we are doing is, yeah, part C is here, and here what we are doing is, yeah, and describe the data structures in your code which you have used. In data structure, here we have used a pointer array of pointers. We mainly use the array pointers to store the sequences in the nucleus. Next, I explain the algorithm techniques we employed here is, here we have used sorting techniques, heap sort and linear search techniques. Highlight the optimization you have made in the code is the main optimization is like this part A, one with the sorting and one without the sorting. So how we achieved it. So this is the main things. So if I have missed everything, I have documented everything in this file. So you can check this file. So for the reference, I'm stopping the video to the time constant. Here my instructor is Gautam.